Hello all. Welcome to the next tutorial in SAP Materials Management series. Here we discuss on topic of batch management data in SAP Materials Management module. Batch is grouping of material that possess some common characteristics or having same valuation. For example, in chemical industry, a batch of chemical comprises of chemicals having same physical and chemical characteristics while processed on same day. It differs from other batches produced on the same day. A batch is identified by a batch number and can be created by production, purchasing. Example of beer brewed together and bottled beer, same batch number. Similarly, shipment of raw material arriving from a certain supplier also bears the same batch number. Concept of batches is of high importance in the pharmaceutical industries. Tracking of batches during production and distribution enables in tracing of batches during product recalls. European Union mandated it for pharmaceutical companies to have a batch certificate for each batch. The certificate bears testing specifications, analytical methods and test results and statements indicating that it conforms to current good manufacturing procedures signed off by company official. Batch level are determined at 3 levels: client level, plant level, material level. Client level batching remains same regardless of material or location and remains the same. It is unique to a company and not to a material and would remain same even if it moves between plants. Plant level batching is default in SAP. It is unique to a plant and material and is not applicable across company. Thus same batch of material could be in different plants while having same batch number and different characteristics. Material level batching implies that batch is unique to a material across all plants. Hence batch number cannot be duplicated as material moves across plants. Batch level can be changed using the transaction OMCE. It can be changed among client, plant and material level. Navigation path for changing the batch level is in the order of IMG, Logistics General, Batch Management, Specify Batch Level and Activate Status Management and finally Batch Level. Changing batch level from batch level to plant level requires material to be batch managed at all plants. Changes in batch level requires significant testing before transporting the change to production systems. Batch level configuration affects batch status management functionality. Please be aware of following points for changing batch level prior to configuration. Changing batch level from plant level to material level requires material to be batch managed at all plants. Changes in batch level requires significant testing before transporting the change to production systems. Batch level configuration affects batch status management functionality. Batch status management is the ability to make the batch either restricted or unrestricted. It is simply to make the batch status management active or not active. Batch status configuration can be managed using the transaction OMCS. Navigation path is in order of IMG, Logistics General, Batch Management, Specify Batch Level and Activate Status Management and finally Batch Status Management. Batch level configuration occurring at material or client level is effective for all plants in client. Batch level configuration affects the working of batch status management in 2 ways. Batch status for managing at which plant batch status needs to be active is done using the transaction OMCU. Navigation path is in order of IMG, Logistics General, Batch Management, Specify Batch Level and Activate Status Management and finally plants with batch status management. Configuration of initial batch status is based on material type. For example, if held material type is restricted, it implies that created semi-finished goods will have restricted batch status. Initial batch status can be configured using the transaction OMM. Navigation path is in order of IMG, Logistics General, Batch Management, Specify Batch Level and Activate Status Management and finally Initial Status of New Batch. Batch number is predetermined in SAP. Predefined range for range 01 is between 000000000001 to 99999999999. Number range object for this is batch_CLT. Batch number can be changed using the transaction OMAD. Navigation path is in order of IMG, Logistics General, Batch Management, Batch Number Assignment, and finally maintain internal batch number assignment range. Batch number can be assigned internally using the transaction OMCZ. Navigation path is in order of IMG, Logistics General, Batch Management, Batch Number Assignment, activate internal batch number assignment, and finally activate batch number assignment. Automatic numbering of batches on a goods receipt with account assignment can be configured via navigation path in order of IMG, Logistics General, Batch Management, Batch Number Assignment, activate internal batch number assignment, and finally internal batch number assignment for assigned goods received.